Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's card count in a list, your full guide for 2025. This is a fantastic feature to keep track of tasks and streamline your project management. First up, let's open up Trello. You'll need to be on the board where you want to count the cards. Now, why is this important? Well, Trello's card count is a powerful tool that will help you see how many tasks you have in a specific list at a glance. It's great for managing workloads and mapping out your project's progress. Next up, look for the list you want to count the cards on. It could be your to-do list, in progress, or any other list you've created. You'll see that as you add cards to your list, there isn't a visible count yet. This is where our next step comes in. Hover over the list title. A small button will appear. Click on it. This is your gateway to a range of list actions, including our much-needed card count feature. Now, I want to pause here for a moment. The reason we do this is because Trello has hidden several list actions under this button. It keeps your screen uncluttered, but still gives you access to powerful tools like our card count. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Count Cards. Click on it. This is your key to unlocking Trello's card count. It's not immediately obvious, so don't worry if you haven't spotted it before. Now let me explain why this matters. Instantly, a small number will appear next to your list title. This is the number of cards in that list. It updates in real time as you add or remove cards. This helps us because it provides a visual indicator of our workload and progress in each list. You don't need to count cards manually anymore. Trello does it for you. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any list on your Trello board. It's a quick way to gain an overview of your tasks and keep your project on track. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've unlocked the power of Trello's card count feature. You can now easily keep track of your tasks across all your lists. This is a small but powerful feature to streamline your project management. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.